G'day. How you going? It's been a while. I know what you're thinking. Fucking he looks shocking. Just out here off trail in the Wallamai National Park. I'm gonna have an overnight camp out. Bit of bushcraft and that. And cook up some food and stuff. Oh, show my setup over here. This is my new mate over here. This is Laz. He's a 2006 Suzuki DR650. Got my bike license earlier this year and below Ks, runs really well. It's a good adventure, you know, starting sort of bike. Happy with it. A Midas EO7 on the back. And I've got a Metzler bloody Sahara on the front there. Over here we've got a basic sort of setup getting going on. We've got the Australian Ozcam Hoochie and sort of a A-frame with a big front window. And I'm laying on again an Ozcam poncho. And on top of that, it's just my sleeping bag. It's a -4 sleeping bag. But inside that one is the Climate Static V inflatable mattress. Not one of those self-inflating ones. You've got to put air in it, but that's alright. And up here, I've just got a little inflatable pillow with the ever-trusty Chamorg as a pillowcase. So anyhow, it's about 3:10 now. Sun should be going down about 5:36. It's already really shady where I am at the moment, and the sun's peeking. Where is it? Peeking around here somewhere. Over there. So I'm guessing I'm going to lose light a little bit earlier as well. So I'm going to go and collect some firewood from around the joint. There's plenty of it because I don't think anybody camps here. I don't think anybody really comes down here at all, which is good. Let's go get some firewood. So it's about 20 minutes to 4 o'clock now. I've just processed all that firewood down. I've got that big log there that I can process after I eat something because I haven't eaten anything yet. So for dinner we're having chicken, marinated in a herb rub. So that should be pretty good. I had chicken last night actually, chicken palmy. It's pretty good. A couple of beers too. That's the other thing I brought out with me, a couple of beers. Not a piss out or anything, I'm not addicted, just for fun. But yeah, got those over in the cooler bag. A couple of them, nice. They're all over this place. These spiky green tree bushes, sorry. One's here. Lamandra longfolia. Also called mat rush. Distinctive by the long green leaves. 25 to 60 centimeters long. Spiky on the ends. If you ever need to, here's a nice fresh one. Grab the base of the root and pull up. The white, pithy end of the leaf. When chewed, produces a sort of a starchy substance. You can boil it, cook it, or you can eat it raw if you need to. This one's actually a younger one, so it's a little bit sweet. It's a bit fibrous, but if you needed to, or if I was doing a stew or something, I'd definitely put that in, mate. There, eh? Oh, there you go. Righto, well, despite it being nearly winter, the insects are still really bad, and there's heaps of angry red ants all around here, and there's mozzies and big bloody ugly flies. So I'm gonna start the fire now. I'm gonna use some natural tinder. This is paper bark, and I'm gonna use a ferrocerium rod. You might be able to see the ants. Big red fuckers. I think that'll go now, hopefully. Come on, bastard. Hopefully you can see the ants on the camera. Heaps of them. And they're fucking bastards. Bloody angry. So I just thought I'd show you briefly how I've got my little shelter set up for the night. Got a ridge line running from this tree way across to that tree. I've got the front of it. I'm not sure what you call this. It's an A-frame, obviously, with a for the patio, but I've got staked out here, staked out at 3 points in that corner there. And around the back I've got it pulled out a bit and staked down just at the front sort of portion where my head is to give me a little bit more room inside. Well, I'm well and truly just about to lose light, I think. Where is it? Can't even see the sun anymore on the horizon or through the trees, so it's going down past the point of return for this evening anyway. Got my first beverage of the evening. It's a John Boston Golden Ale. Haven't tried this before. Let's give it a crack. Righto, well the chicken's on. The more of the coal base here and then the fire blazing next to it, so the best of both worlds. You might get a bit of char from the flame as well, which is good. But yeah, just got this little grill out. I've even got bloody tongs, mate, eh? How good's that? Nothing bushcraft about that, mate. That's bloody glamping. Bit of chooking, mate. Bit of herb spice chooking, nice, eh? Looks good to me.
Good morning. It's pretty fresh this morning. Got pretty cool last night. Fairly cool, but I didn't get cold at all. I was comfortable. It was pretty broken sleep, but then had a couple of good stretches of actual sleep. But did a lot of laying around as well. But no, it was good. It was pretty comfortable actually. The fire just looks like it's pretty well burnt out. Not right now, but shortly I'll probably get up and put some brekkie on. Start packing up.
So it's about 10 past 7 now. I'm out of bed obviously, dressed, and I've got the bad boy kicking on because it's almost time for some bacon. That'll be my brekkie. Yeah, I've collected some Y sticks. I'm going to make myself a sort of a makeshift hanger to cook the rashers. See how we go, eh? Oh yeah! Righto, well the bacon's cooked up, fire's pretty much done. Everything's pretty much packed up and ready to go. My jacket's hanging there. But yeah, it was a good night. I had a good time. Yeah, it was a pretty comfortable night actually. I enjoyed myself. Well, I'll pretty much end the video here. Thanks for watching. If you got all the way to the end, like, comment, subscribe, whatever you want to do, and hopefully we'll be making some more videos. See how we go. Cheers.